Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss about Laspier's method, Pasch's method and Fisher's method only problems. Okay, so the formula for Laspier's method students, it is this one. P1, P01 is P1 Q0 by P0 Q0 into 100. So here I will show you the how to do this problem. See students, 1997 and 2008. So in this, P1 is what students? Price of current year. P0 is price of base year. Again Q0 is price of quantity of base year, whereas Q1 will be the quantity of current year. So I will tell you what is base year and what is current year. Base year will be the year which is the previous year, and current year will be the this current year. Like in this problem, 2008 will be called as current year, and before that, which is 1997, will be base year. So if it is price, you can write it as P0 for base year. Again quantity, it is Q0. Again here price P1, quantity is Q1. So students, here it is here I will show you the problem. If you are doing Laspier's method, the formula is summation of P1 Q0 by P0 Q0 into 100. The best way to remember this formula is just think that PQ you just write and write 10 and 0. 10 and 0. Okay. So here if we have to calculate here P1 and Q0. P1 Q0 is nothing but P1 is 20 and Q0 is P1 is 2008, this one no price P1 40 and quantity is Q0 because it is base year. Q is quantity, Q naught and P naught, then P1 and Q1. So here that means 40 and 4 will be P1 Q0. Then 60 and 6 multiply it is 180. Again 50 into 5 is 250 and 40 into 10 is 400. It is P1 Q0. Again what is quantity students? This one is quantity, no, Q0, and in price is P0 because this is base year last year. So P0 multiplied by Q0 is 40, 20 into 4 is 80, 50 into 3 is 150. So all this you calculate here, and when you add this you will get summation of P0 Q0. When you add this you will get summation of P1 Q0. So 990 divided by 630 into 100 is 157.28. Again, when you do for pastries also, you just multiply P1 and Q1 divided, you just multiply here P1 and Q1, this 40 into 6, 60 into 5. So when you multiply this and add that, you will get the same things. Summation of P1 Q1 by summation of P0 Q0. We can do the same problem with Pasch's method also. Here I am showing you Fisher's method students. The formula for Fisher's method is root of Laspier's into Pasch's. Here the Laspier's formula is what? The best way to remember this formula is you just put summation and PQ, 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 PQ. Then you write 1, 0, 10 and 1, 1, 11. Again 0, 0 is 0 and 0, 1 is 1. 10, 11, 0 and 1. That's it. Just multiply it by 100, square root of that. So P1 is what? Price of current year. P0 is price of base year. Again Q1 is price of quantity of current year. Then Q0 is quantity of base year. So here you have got base year is what? P0 and base year is Q0. Here P0 and Q0, again P1 and Q1 because it is current years. So here is the problem done. Calculations. You can calculate P1 Q0 as like this students. This is what current year is P1. P1 into this base year is Q0. 3 into 100 is 300. Then 10 into 200 is 2000. Like this you can multiply it for all P1 Q0 as well as P0 Q0, P1 Q1, P0 Q1. Just see here, P0 Q1 is, P0 is what? This last year, no? 1998 is base year. This is P0 and Q1 is what? This one. So 100 into 2 is 200. Again 8 into 50 is 400. Like this they are multiplying and adding this, you will get 1900. When you get all these values, this addition, this will be called as summation values, as sum. So summation of P1 Q0 is 10800. Again summation of P1 Q1 is what? This one, no? This is, when you add this it will be sum. So of all these values you put here, and when you divide this and this value and multiply it, you will get 2.2105. Square root of 2.2105 multiplied by 100 is 148.7. That's it, students. Thank you for listening to my lecture. Do like, share and subscribe, students. Okay.